Oh, hello everyone. Today's mini vlog. Nagmumukbang tayo ng seafood. Crab legs. We have shrimp. We have green mussels.
Hindi ako pwedeng mag-dance ng corn. Linggo
Guys,
na
corn?
Corn. Seafoods na may corn.
Or what?
Bakit nagmadali kaya?
Kasi nga, lagi ako nakagang mga gising. Automatic na yun.
I think part na yun ng edad natin.
Yeah, wait up early.
Yeah. Super soft ng short ribs na luto ni Chef. Super soft.
Kung gusto mong drink ko yan, right?
Parang nag-seafood city na rin tayo nito
Right. Meron natin yung zero dyan. Root beer, right?
Oh, sisi.
Root beer king, 0.
Gusto mo?
Mukbang pa more.
Sweet? Kuya,
Wala tayong rice.
Can I have your plate of mussels?
Here.
Yeah, if you want.
I like the, what do you call it? My favorite part of the mussel is the little mussel that attaches it.
Yeah, that attaches it.
Yeah. Sometimes.
Which part? Ito.
I like the...
Ito yung
Yeah,
pagkala.
It gets stuck in your teeth sometimes.
What?
You have to be
Yeah.
careful. You get
Yeah,
stuck.
yeah, they can get stuck in your teeth.
No, itong
Yeah, the one that...
Chef, itong dumikit ba? Yun, kinukuha niya.
That's my
Oh.
favorite part of mussel.
That's
the little
his
mussel.
favorite part.
Oh, yung
Chewy.
matigas,
Yeah, dito Ito yung gusto ng asawa ko, guys. Ito.
Oo nga, yan.
Yung ano?
Gusto niya yung matigas. Yeah, yung matigas.
Ito, ano gusto mo?
Ang gusto ko rin matigas.
Matigas na. Sarap? They're chewy.
Sarap kumain, guys. Kaya never tayong papayat nito.
What's that?
Mukbang tayo guys, mukbang. Kasi wala na tumamay sa bingo eh. Busy na tayo. Ito pa kayo sa kuya.
My God, daming masaw.
Ang tahong. Mukbang. Ang tahong ng karne.
Magana kumain pag ganito.
Yeah, yung kamayan ba?
Yeah.
Pero kung doon tayo ngayon sa labas, walang kamayan.
At super mahal to kapag sa restaurant ka mag-order ng mga ganito. Seafoods galore, guys. Itakbo ko lang to bukas sa treadmill, 10,000 steps.
Thank you for a wonderful meal, Gilbert. It was very
Napkin
good.
Here's
Thank you for coming.
Here's napkin.
Okay na daw siya. Naghugas na siya dun eh.
Uwi na siya.
Busog na.
Ha?
Hindi ka naman. Nilalamay.
Okay. That's all for my today's mini vlog.
Maganda tong crab kasi crab season na ngayon.